The Guadalupe Canyon is an oasis in Baja California, Mexico. It is located in the desert La Laguna Salada. It is a great place visited by hundreds of people around the year. It is a 2 hours off-road drive from the highway La Laguna Salada. The Guadalupe Canyon is a paradise with an amazing vegetation. Guadalupe Canyon has hot springs, camping areas, and a cool waterfall. Also, you can make a reservation for some cabins and tours. If you want to relax and disconnect from the city, this is the right place to visit. Guadalupe Canyon is waiting for you with its unique beauty. If you want more information, please call 68644411122. Again, please call 68644411122 or visit us at elcañondeguadalupe.com. Thank you.